nothing. That's for so we don't look like
confusion. I'm going to amputate my leg now.
Try it. I can't get it underneath.
That's fine. There we go.
There we go.
Perfect. Look it up.
Yeah.
a little far. Oh yeah,
Okay.
that way you can
That's not a letter. That almost looks like me.
Beautiful. That's why it's beautiful.
No,
Moses.
yeah.
I am beautiful. Thank you.
That looks like you. That's you. Yeah, no, okay, so that's how.
But you know what? I like these ones. Look at that. Look at that brownness. That level of brown. And then look at that one.
And this is what your hands look like.
Oh.
Alright, I'm going to add oil.
There's a lot more to go.
Yeah, you guys aren't going to get a lot of pancakes.
Why did they like
Yeah, they all
because
just
it's raised
split
in the
out.
middle. And it's hot, so it melts
very
very
easily?
easily.
They have to raise to the middle.
I'm pulling it up to see if it's ready.
It is nowhere near ready. I can tell you that now. In fact, we're going to turn this up a bit higher.
Oh no.
Okay. More pancakes. Begin.
Try and on. Next
Oh,
time,
there's a baby pancake.
And what?
next time what I need you to do is move the oil around the pan first.
Oh.
So that when you put in the pancake, it lands on the oil. That way it's easier to put around.
That part's the easiest food.
Yes. It'll also quick.
There's no way.
Alright, you ready? That's the pancake. Try and keep your face a little further away from it. It is a hot
Your
pan.
eyes will tell you from you. Also, the extra layer defense and global defense against all errors.
It's such a lucky faith that you got glasses on too.
Alright.
Yeah.
It's
I
ready
might
to
get
flip
bit
over.
in my eye,
You'll
and
really
then I have to
start
go to
making it
hospital.
I was talking about Ola.
Yeah, yeah, but if I had glasses, I'll be outside and die. But I might die. If you had glasses,
Very good,
it's so
very
long.
good.
So
Well, let's do
fun.
that. Cinnamon, I mean, I think you can never really go wrong with cinnamon. You
I
got
like
a lot of cinnamon.
Why?
Now, here's another question. You may have overheard me talking to Zach and Wade. What should you do once the oil is in the pan? Right before you
Oh, I know.
Eat it.
Turn around.
Sarah,
Then
exactly.
you show them I'm doing that. That's what my mom does.
Follow-up question. Why do we swirl it around?
So then it gets
Hands up. Hands up.
I know the answer.
Jax,
I'm fine.
you put your hand up earlier. Wade,
I know that.
not quite.
The bubbles are hot.
Fire.
Whenever you put it, it's oily. It cooks quicker.
That is one of the reasons, yes, it cooks quicker. But the main reason, especially with pancakes, is so that it sticks less to the pan and it's easier to flip over.
I forgot that one. My mom told me that one when I was 5. This is because she made me
Right, just pour all of that in, scrape it out
small.
into there.
Right now.
Ready?
Add a little more. Oh no, actually you're fine with oil.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I
Is that ready? Almost.
I have to do this.
Yeah, sure. Who wants to stir porridge? Jack.
Because it's such a big porridge.
You turn that down a bit. Alright, make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. You really need to just scoop that bottom, otherwise it'll burn. Perfect. And then do you want to go put that in the sink? Alright, next question.
Sorry, wait.
Okay.
This is more of a what do you like. When you have porridge, what flavors do you like in your porridge?
Cinnamon, sugar.
Cinnamon, sugar,
Butter.
vanilla.
Cinnamon, sugar, butter.
It's like huge bubbles. Just
Berry.
2 bags.
Blueberry, I like that one. Breathe,
Kill
sugar.
someone.
It's gonna kill someone.
Breathe.
Yeah, the thing is I can quick down because of it. I asked the question.
Guys, gather around.
Okay, so the
Come
question
look at this beautiful porridge.
so much.
Now, how, hold on, this is
Your question was if I have a pancake now.
how can you tell this is done?
Because it pops like that.
Yes and no.
It's because it's like thick.
Yes. Very nice. So because it's thick, you can tell it's done. But porridge, you can basically make to any kind of thickness you want. put this up. You're all done this.
No, thank you.
At all.
Now, how do you guys get out of here?
Sorry, David. How much would you like?
Just so I should just bring the pancakes up. So what do I do now?
The table's already set. The table's already set, so you can just take it to the table.
Jack. How much would you like?
Nope, not yet.
Really have as much as you want.
Just take the hair thing out.
Alright, well then, how much do you think you can get? Yeah, and you can add some porridge if you like. Sorry, you can add some yogurt if you like. I'd like you to try a little bit of this. Look at that, just a little bit. If you don't like it, you don't like it. Wait for it to pull out, right? And then you can have some. Oh my goodness. Would you like some porridge with that yogurt? Alright.
I have the porridge if no one wants it. What do you mean you want it? I called for it first.
Well, no, actually, I'll just have the whole thing. And she goes,
Don't like it? Then you
I'm gonna eat this pot finish.
Okay, you can have some yogurt then. How much would you like?
Have a good morning. Oh, yes, for me. I would like half a bowl, please, because I'm huge.
I would love I haven't even got half a bowl. I've got.
That's more than half a bowl.
I know. I'm bigger than you then.
Whoa!
I should eat yogurt.
I only make what you can eat.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes. Let's not think with our stomach, shall we?
For me?
Now I'm talking to that one.
Oh, wait, guys, take your hair nets and aprons off.
Hair nets and apron off. Thank you.
I'm the best. I think it's better than ours.